Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to a place where your passion for technology, gaming, and anime is celebrated and nurtured. Are you ready to dive into a world where technology, gaming, and anime collide in the most exciting ways possible? Well, you're in the right place. This is your ultimate geek hub, where we bring you the latest and greatest from all your favorite realms. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for everything cutting-edge and trending. Whether you're a tech junkie, a gaming aficionado, or an anime lover, we've got something special for you. First off, let's talk tech. This is where innovation meets imagination. From the latest smartphones and groundbreaking gadgets to futuristic AI and smart home innovations, we've got you covered. Imagine having all the tech news and reviews you need, right at your fingertips. Imagine unboxing the newest tech toy and being the first to know all about its quirks and features. We bring you detailed unboxings and first impressions that you can trust. I'll be breaking down complex concepts and giving you hands-on reviews, so you know exactly what's worth your hard-earned cash. But wait, there's more. We also dive into the nitty-gritty details to help you make informed decisions. If you're a gamer at heart, you're going to love our in-depth game reviews, live playthroughs, and tips and tricks. We cover everything from the latest releases to hidden gems. Whether you're a console warrior or a PC Master Race devotee, I'll help you level up your game. We explore the best setups, accessories, and strategies to enhance your gaming experience. From epic RPGs to fast-paced FPS games, we cover it all. No genre is left unexplored and no game is too obscure. Plus, I'll keep you up to date with the latest esports news and events. Whether it's major tournaments or local competitions, you'll be in the know. And for all you anime lovers out there, this is your new haven. We celebrate the art, the stories, and the culture of anime. From classic series to the hottest new releases, I'll be diving into storylines, character arcs, and hidden Easter eggs. We analyze and discuss the elements that make anime so captivating. Whether you're a seasoned otaku or just getting started, I've got the recommendations and reviews to keep your watch list packed. We explore different genres and help you discover new favorites. But wait, there's even more. We also delve into the broader geek culture. Trending topics are our jam. We keep you updated on what's hot and happening in the world of tech, gaming, and anime. You'll get to see my take on the latest viral challenges, internet phenomena, and cultural trends. We break down the trends and give you the scoop on what's worth your attention. This channel is all about blending entertainment with information, giving you the best of both worlds. We aim to educate and entertain, making sure you have fun while staying informed. So why should you stick around? Because we offer a unique blend of content that you won't find anywhere else. Because here, you're not just a viewer. You're part of a tech-savvy, game-loving, anime-watching community. We value your input and encourage you to be an active participant. I want you to get involved. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and share your thoughts. Your feedback helps us grow and improve. Your voice matters, and it helps shape the kind of content I bring to you. We read every comment and take your suggestions seriously. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Stay connected and be the first to know when new content drops. Join me on this exhilarating journey through the ever-evolving worlds of tech, games, and anime. Together, we'll explore new horizons and push the boundaries of what's possible. Together, we'll explore the future, one episode at a time. There's always something new to discover, and I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech-savvy and keep exploring.